This thing, though?
The time thing is really hard, though.
This thing sucks.
Because I could stream early here, but it would be plain. Bro, we haven't heard a noise like that all day. Is that a nuke? Bro, it's not a plane.
I'm just fucking with
No,
you.
it's not funny.
No,
it's
that's
not
a
a
plane.
plane. It's a nuke.
No, Britt, that's a fucking plane. Trust me, if that wasn't Nick, I wouldn't be sitting here like that. I would call my parents and say, thank you for this great life.
I have not heard a plane since I've been here.
How do we land here, then?
No, we're not next to...